Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to assemble CPU. Okay, let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, now I will check what part used for assemble CPU. This is our ATX cabinet, Zebronic motherboard, head 61M2. This is our NVMe 256 GB SMPS. Okay, processor fan. This is DDR3 8 GB desktop RAM. Okay, let's start video. Open this motherboard box. This is our SATA cable for HDD. This is our backside plate. This is motherboard CD, driver CD. This is user manual for connections. Okay, now this is motherboard. Okay, unpack this motherboard from this pouch. Okay, I am already fixed processor in motherboard. Okay, this is Core i5 third generation processor. Now fit processor fan on motherboard. Be careful, processor fan lock is very sensitive. First you check fan locks are all lock are unlocked or not. Okay, then fit fan this holes. Okay, after this connect this CPU fan connector to motherboard. Now install RAM in motherboard. Okay, this is 8 GB RAM DDR3. Now install RAM on motherboard. After this step, install NVMe. This is our NVMe box, 256 GB, Hikvision company. Unbox this box. Okay, open this NVMe. Remove from box and connect this side. Okay, first open this screw. Then install NVMe. Okay, now fix the screw. Okay, fix the screw. After this step, fit motherboard in cabinet. Okay, fit this motherboard in ATX cabinet. Check here. Okay, now fix motherboard screw. In this motherboard are 4 screws. Fit all 4 screws. Okay, after this, fit SMPS in cabinet. Okay, these SMPS are 4 screws also. Fit all 4 screws. Okay, after this, connect motherboard to this 24 pin. Okay, be careful. After this, connect 4 pin ATX to motherboard beside processor fan. Okay, after this, connect front USB connections. This is our USB front USB connection headers. Connect to motherboard beside chipset. Okay, or CMOS battery. After this, connect front panel audio. Then connect power restart HDD or power LED headers. Okay, this is our headers. Connect these headers to motherboard. Okay, arrange these headers by series, then connect. Okay, connect to motherboard. Okay, all headers are connected motherboard. Now check CPU is on. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.